All right, let's take a look at the topic. So last time we looked at the module overviews. Now let's focus in on the various topics. I'm going to click on Module 1 for Level 4. And here are the topics that you're going to be covering in that unit, in that module. Now, we did an overview of all the topics in the module overview, but now we want to look at this particular topic and what their students are going to be doing in that topic. We have the lessons listed here, and they are clickable. We're not going to click on them just yet. Instead, we're going to take a look at these buttons. So in topic A, we have our topic overview. We're going to click on that first. And this sheet tells you exactly what students are going to be doing and what success criteria they need to meet in order to be successful in the various lessons. So first, we're going to read the summary of the topic. And in here, you're going to pull out specifically what students are doing in this topic. Then we're going to be looking at the progression of lessons, and notice that there are two different pieces of information and then the picture that you're receiving. The study guide is going to ask you to look at the bolded and the italicized phrases and what you get from both. To me, this bolded version is kind of like a lesson objective. Like I will be able to interpret multiplication as multiplicative comparisons, but it's not student friendly at all. But when I look down here, I see a little bit more student friendly language. Like I will be able to notice that some shapes and number patterns have rules. I'll be able to describe the multiplication patterns by using times as many. And this just is a little bit more student friendly to me. This is a little easier to copy and paste. This makes a little bit more sense. So I'll leave that up to your kind of like planning interpretation, but both can be useful. At least like, I don't always understand what that says, but I always understand what this says. And if we go down, we can read through all the lesson progressions. And it's also going to ask you, the study guide is going to ask you to look at the resources. There are topic A quizzes, and there are always 3 versions every single topic. And there is a family math sheet. Take a look at both and answer the questions in the study guide. Pay close attention to the family math. This gets skipped over often when people are planning in math, but I think it's a unique opportunity to give information to our families, and it's so easy. We just download it and send it in Dojo, and families can learn a ton about math when they look at those. All right, enjoy the study guide.